Back up off me, you're in my yard.
I told you once, this is a crime scene, you need to leave.
I run him, get me.
On October 2nd, 2025, officers in Southern Illinois responded to what initially appeared to be a routine disturbance call. However, the situation quickly escalated when the fire and police department began questioning the homeowner had allegedly started a fire in his own basement. As officers and firefighters worked to assess the scene, the suspect became increasingly agitated, refusing commands and growing hostile toward emergency personnel who were questioning him about the fire.
Salem Fire Command, Salem Dispatch.
Just pull it.
Hey, give me that motherfucker.
I gotta crack it first. No.
Are you gonna use it?
Yeah, I'm gonna use it.
Well, come in and use it.
I gotta crack it. Do not
the
touch it. I gotta
motherfucker.
crack it for the pressure.
Crack the put the fire out. You're faking. You're faking. Go home. Oh, dude. I'm gonna put you over. Go ahead, crack it open. Crack it open.
I was wondering where you were. I should have radioed you. I'm not.
Eye on that back there, so I'm gonna have to knock him out.
Yeah, he's. Chris, he's already gotten in my face about it. Yeah, he's an asshole.
Okay.
He's already gotten in my face. He tried to grab the hose from me.
You guys are faking. Ain't worth the on the goddamn dope. Get off the goddamn shit, dude. Trying to take it.
Gas can lid here.
Gotta pull on the red. Don't do it. Hey guys, hang up.
What do we got?
Due to the ongoing investigation, Salem police cannot show what the suspect used to start the fire in his basement.
I apologize. Don't give me that dirty look, son.
I'm just disappointed, Stephen.
Yeah, I am too. With all you and the whole family and the whole goddamn town, you crooked mother.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking
You're not making any sense. You're talking to people here that just saved your dad's house.
Can I ask you a question?
Shoot.
Do you lie?
Do I lie? When I
Yeah.
need to.
Huh?
When I need to.
Are you lying now?
Nope.
Which way do your eyes look at time? Liar. You boys right here, I'm telling you right now, you don't want to with the wrong people.
All right. That's it. We're not going to sit here and we're not going to threaten people. Go ahead.
Huh? You're shaking like a leaf. Back up off me, you're in my yard.
I told you once, this is a crime scene. You need to leave.
Huh? You're shaking like a leaf. Back up off me, you're in my yard.
I told you once, this is a crime scene. You need to leave.
I run him, get me. Ow! I got it. Quit resisting. Oh! God, please help me. Please save me. Oh! Oh, get this. Oh. Stand up. Boy, you tough my boy. Woo! I love this shit. Ha ah! Where we going? Oh shit. We ain't going to the hospital, are we?
What'd you say?
Yeah, I need to go to the hospital.
Need an ambulance?
Huh? Oh, you mother crazy on me.
Huh?
I got a little blood on his elbow. I don't see anything else.
On 9?
That on his elbow.
Hang up. I'm calling police.
Put your feet in there. You alright? He get you in the forehead?
He just Bill the bill. Headbutted me with his bill on my bill.
Is your body cam on? Someone hit me in the back of the head.
Let us help you real quick.
Wow.
It's so funny.
I apologize. I see where this is going. Guys, I see where it's going. Can I go home now?
No, you're under arrest for agbat to a police officer.
All right, man. I look good on myself.
Probably how you get they're going to make it clear that they put us in the jail.
Can I get you guys' names and
Does he
badge
wanna
numbers
go?
for it?
They'll be in the report.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You got an ID?
Hey, are you wanting them to treat you or no?
No.
You don't want to be treated?
Hell no. I'm perfectly safe.
Okay. Hey, we are on an arson right now. Dustin told us this guy, Steve, he is a suspect in the arson. We were sitting here, he came up, he assaulted Dustin, tried to headbutt him with his bill of his cap. He was taken into custody, we wrestled around with him on the ground, and then he started saying, I need to go to the hospital. So we called an ambulance here, and now he's like, I don't need to go to the hospital. All he has is like a little nick on his elbow, and he's not wanting to go to the hospital. Are you guys good with that? Us bringing him there? I'm getting ready to take you up to the Marion County Jail. He's calmed down a lot. All right, man. You're going to go with these guys, okay?
Walking right through this door. Like your aim, dude. Mow it.
After a brief but intense struggle, officers were able to take the suspect into custody without further incident. Authorities say the investigation determined the fire had been intentionally set, leading to multiple criminal charges. Fortunately, no serious injuries were reported, but the incident left significant damage to the home and required a large emergency response. The suspect was transported to jail, where he awaits his next court appearance. As always, all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.